Mr. Sarthak, question number 11. How should I do it?
The cost price of an article is 90% of its selling price. What is the profit or loss as percent?
Yeah.
We'll assume the selling price to be 100.
Shabash. Very nice. Shabash. Okay.
And the cost price will be 90 upon 100 into 100.
Shabash. Nice.
So 90 is the cost price.
Shabash.
So
Shabash.
90 upon the selling price, cost price.
No, is there a profit or a loss?
So it will be profit.
Profit. How much is the profit? Mr. Satya, how much is the profit?
So 10.
So what would be the profit percent? Mr.
So
Satya?
it should be 100 upon 9.
अरे गुरुजी 10 upon 90 होगा ना into 100. अच्छा अच्छा आपने आंसर बता दिया सीधा. Okay. It should be 100 upon 9%. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir, I said that only. Yes.
Okay. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct? Correct.
Yeah.
Mr. Satya, how should I do question number 12?
So the cost price is 30 and the selling price is 100. So we have to do 30 upon 100 into 100. So the profit is 70. So to find the percentage, you have to do 70 upon 30 into 100, which is equal to 7 upon 3%.
Mr. Aryaman, how should I do question number 12?
So sale price equals to 100, and cost price is 70.
Why cost price is 70? Why cost price is 70?
Because of 30%.
I'm sorry?
Because the selling price, like we'll take it as 100, and the cost price was 30% less than the selling price, which means you have to subtract the 30% by 100%, which is 70%. In other words, 70.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak, have you understood? So the cost price of the article is 30% less than the selling price. So it is less than. So this less than is rupees 30. Why? It is 30 upon 100 into 100. So this basically you can read this as the cost price of an article is rupees 30 less than rupees 100. So therefore the cost price would be 70 rupees. Mr. Sarthak, have we understood this? Mr. Satya, have we understood this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is there a loss or a profit?
So there's a profit.
How much is the profit?
So 30.
What would be the profit percent?
30 upon 100 into 100.
Are
Oh,
Dada.
sorry, 30 upon 70 into 100.
Yeah.
You need to be very clear what is the cost price. Mr. Satya.
Yes.
Mr. Satya, how should I do question number 13?
So there are 300 eggs. So the total cost of it is 24,000. So the cost price is equal to 24,000 and the set.
So it's not 24,000 paisa.
आर्यमन जी शांति रखिए. Mr. Satya. What is the cost price?
So the cost price of one egg is 80 paise.
Mhm. Okay. So what would be the cost price of 300 eggs? Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Sarthak, am I audible?
24.
Mr. Sarthak, am I audible? सार्थक जी की आवाज नहीं आ रही. सत्य आप बताइए.
So there, it would be 24,000 paise, no?
हाँ, 24,000 पैसा. Yeah, correct. So 300 eggs into 80 paisa would be equal to 24,000 paise.
200.
Now, what is Mr. Aryaman saying? Mr. Aryaman?
No, I was going to say it's 240 rupees.
Mr. Aryaman is saying that you should convert this 24,000 paise into rupees by dividing by 100, and therefore the cost price would be rupees 240. Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yeah, sir.
What Mr. Aryaman is suggesting is कि साहब ऐसा कीजिए, आप इसको convert कर लीजिए. आप नहीं भी convert करना चाहते, कोई problem नहीं. Mr. Satya, नहीं भी convert करेंगे, कोई problem नहीं. Okay, Mr.
Okay.
Mr. Satya, what should I do next?
Then we have to find the profit. So we have to do like sell price. No, 1 second. We have to do 270 minus 230. Sorry, 240.
Sir, no.
So it would be 30 upon 270. Yeah, so 270. How?
Sir, can I?
आर्यमन जी, आपको शांति से बैठना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगा तो आप बताइए. Mr.
So
Satya,
sir, the
बताइए.
sell, yeah, so sell price would be 270. After the 30 eggs, the other broken. So we have to do 270 minus 240, which is
Okay.
30.
Okay, okay.
Then we have to do 30 upon sell cost price. So the cost price would be 240. So we have to do 30 upon 240 into 100.
शाबाश. Mr. Sarthak, am I audible? Mr. Sarthak. Sarthak जी की आवाज नहीं आ रही. Sarthak, I think you can re-log in here. Okay, so now out of the 300 eggs, 30 got broken. There was 270 good eggs left. Each good egg was sold at 1 rupee each. So the selling price was 270 rupees. My cost price is 240. My selling price is 270. I have made a profit of 30 rupees. My profit percentage would be 30 upon 240 into 100. Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes.
So I can cancel 38, the 24, 8, 1, 12.5%. Mr. Satya, is it correct? Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Yes.
So now can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood the question?
Yes, I understood all the questions.
Have you understood all the discussion which was taking place in terms of paise and rupees and etc.?
So I couldn't understand the last part because I was changing the settings.
Yeah, not an issue. You can look at the recording also.
Okay.
So, Mr. Satya, if we want to remain at paise, what we can do is, if you want to remain at paise, what you can do is, this is the 24,000 paise. Then, if you want the selling price, it should remain in paise. So you can convert this 1 rupee into 100 paise. And then you can say that my selling price is 27,000 paise. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But then this becomes a bit complicated, and that is why Mr. Aryaman is suggesting कि आप इसको पैसे में मत कीजिए, आप इसको रुपीस में कर लीजिए. So Aryaman, is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, great.